Eat it again. Send this to Jackson. Huh? Just take a video of it, Jackson. Tell me when to go. Alright, go. I'm serious.